Oh, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the Gumbi family. Cheryl is behind the scenes. She's the one with the camera. So our over rock over there our over broke, so we had to find a new over yesterday. If you view our video we uploaded yesterday, we did go to Morrison's to buy a new Hoover. So we took a gamble. Just a disclaimer, we're not promoting anything, we're not advertising this. We just took a gamble. So it's a Russell Hobbs Compact X cylinder vacuum. So we're gonna be doing the unboxing, and hopefully it's going to be a bargain. Okay, so we do take pictures of the carpet just to see if it's gonna work. So the carpet is quite dirty at the moment, so we're gonna use this Hoover and see if it works out. So you're gonna see some pictures and videos of the previous and after we use the Hoover. So okay, we're gonna go to the unboxing. First time doing it anyway. Let's see what we have. So this is my wine opener. I used to open one. Okay.
Oh, so nosy, Mama.
What Cheryl?
What is this?
Moment of the truth. Okay, what do we have in the box? There is a horse. They say the horse is 1.5 meters long. Okay. What else is inside? And there is the stick. I guess this you connect to the horse. We'll find out, we'll figure it out. The first time doing this, guys. And I've never used Russell Hobbs before. So if you have used it before, give us a comment and tell us how it works. Because we still have to find out. So this looks like a brush. I don't know what it does. It's a brush. I don't know if you can see. What's next? What do you have? What do you call this? I don't know. This is the mouth of the Hoover. I guess this is the mouth of the Hoover. So we'll find out. Anyway, we still need to assemble it. So yeah. So Russell Hobbs, as you can see, the brand. Okay, what else do we have? I don't know. Some small parts, I don't know what it does. Anyway, we'll find out. And here's the main guy. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. It's heavy. A moment of the truth. So this is the Hoover. If you can see, guys, clean the filters at least once a month. Okay, of course the filters I guess this is the power button, and this is for the cable, to take the cable. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So now time to assemble. We're now assembling this thingy. So we're gonna start with
Take it.